BidClerk is one of the leading construction management software tools, but before you make a decision, here are 12 things you need to know about it. This platform offers various features for construction projects, but how does it compare to its competitors like Procore and Buildertrend? Let's take a closer look. First off, BidClerk provides detailed access to project data, which is a big plus for users needing accurate and up-to-date information. But compared to Procore, it may feel a bit more basic. Procore offers a wider range of tools for managing the entire construction lifecycle, from budgeting to scheduling, whereas BidClerk primarily focuses on project leads and bidding, so keep that in mind. Next thing to consider, user interface. BidClerk's interface is relatively straightforward, making it easy to navigate, especially for smaller teams or those new to construction management software. However, Buildertrend offers a more polished and modern user experience, which might be better for larger teams or more complex projects. The third thing is its pricing. BidClerk offers a subscription-based pricing model, but it can be costly depending on the size of your team and the features you need. For smaller businesses or independent contractors, this might not be the most budget-friendly option, and you might find Buildertrend's pricing more flexible. The fourth thing is its bidding functionality. BidClerk is known for its robust bidding tools, which can help you find new project leads and streamline the bidding process. However, if you're looking for a full-fledged project management suite, Procore outshines BidClerk by offering complete integration of bidding with other project management functions. The fifth thing to keep in mind is document management. BidClerk allows easy storage and sharing of documents, but when compared to Procore, its file organization and search capabilities aren't as robust. If your project involves a lot of detailed documents, Procore might be the better choice for managing those files more effectively. Next thing to know, customer support. BidClerk's support team is known for being responsive, though some users report that response times can be slow at times. In contrast, Buildertrend offers more extensive support, including phone, email, and live chat options, and generally receives better feedback for customer service. The seventh thing to consider is integration. While BidClerk integrates well with other construction software, it's not as seamless as Procore, which has a wider range of integration options. If you're using multiple software solutions for accounting, HR, or project management, Procore might provide a more integrated experience. The eighth thing to think about is mobile functionality. BidClerk does offer mobile apps, but they aren't as feature-rich or responsive as Buildertrend's. If you need a mobile solution that can handle everything from scheduling to field reporting, Buildertrend's app might be the better option. The ninth thing is training and resources. BidClerk has training resources available, but compared to Procore, which offers in-depth, on-demand learning materials, BidClerk's resources feel a little limited. For a company with a team that needs a comprehensive learning experience, Procore might be a better fit. The 10th thing to note is the speed and performance of the software. Many users report that BidClerk performs well and efficiently for smaller to mid-sized projects. However, for larger projects or teams, Procore's robust infrastructure ensures faster load times and a more reliable experience. The 11th thing is scalability. BidClerk is designed for smaller teams or less complex projects, which may work for some businesses. But if you're planning to scale up or work on larger projects, Procore offers better scalability and more advanced features to accommodate growing teams and complex workflows. Lastly, let's talk about the user base. BidClerk is mostly used by general contractors and subcontractors. If you're in the construction industry and need something more specialized, Buildertrend's tools for residential construction management might be more suitable, especially if you need detailed scheduling features. Overall, BidClerk is a solid option if you're mainly focused on bidding and lead generation, and it works great for smaller teams. But if you want a more comprehensive and scalable solution, we recommend checking out Procore, which you can try for free. It might be the better option, depending on your business needs.